Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your ReachOwl account and start your free trial. ReachOwl helps automate your outreach and social media marketing, making it easier to connect with your audience and grow your business. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the ReachOwl website. First, open your browser and go to reachowl.com. You'll land on the ReachOwl homepage where the lifetime deal is currently active. To begin creating your account, click the Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Complete the registration form. After clicking the button, you'll be redirected to app.reachowl.com/register. Here you'll need to fill out the registration form. Enter your username, enter your email address, create a password, confirm your password. Select an option from the What Describes You Best drop-down menu. Next, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Once everything is completed, click Start Free Trial to submit the form. Step 3. Choose your plan. After registration, you'll be taken to the pricing page. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. All plans include a 7-day free trial, allowing you to use the platform and its features before being charged. If you decide ReachOwl isn't right for you, you can cancel before the trial ends. Select your preferred plan to continue. Step 4. Complete checkout. You'll now be redirected to the checkout page. Fill out the required billing information and click Start Free Trial again. Your free trial will be activated immediately. Step 5. Complete onboarding. After checkout, you'll enter the onboarding process. Take a moment to review each onboarding slide. Click Next after reading each slide until you reach the final step. Then click Continue to Dashboard. Step 6. Access your dashboard. Click on Browser where you need to install extension. Congratulations! You have successfully created your ReachOwl account and reached your dashboard. From here, you can start connecting social accounts, creating campaigns, scanning audiences, and exploring all of ReachOwl's powerful automation features. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this tutorial.